My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've worked thousands of cases. I've been on Fox and ABC and a bunch of other stations. So whatever I tell you is pretty much going to be the Bible. In working 10,000 cases, I know what I'm doing, and I want to kind of pull back the curtain and help you and show you how IRS works their cases, and I hope it adds a little value. My YouTubes are very short, extremely short. 3 minutes, give you enough information to be dangerous. So what happens if you can't pay your IRS payroll taxes? IRS is probably going to come out knocking at the door. You'll get threatening letters. What is the next step? What are the things you have to do to keep IRS at bay so they're not going to seize your bank account, levy, or take any of the assets? I used to do this for a living. The first thing I wanted to do when I knocked on the door, talked to the owners, I wanted to make sure they were compliant. What do I mean by that? I want to make sure all your tax returns are filed, you're keeping up to date, and you're trying to make current payments. A lot of the people, when I knocked on the door, they couldn't make current payments because they just couldn't. And that's okay. IRS can put your taxes in a hardship program, and that's what I want to talk to you about. Putting your taxes in a hardship program, even if you owe payroll taxes. With everything that goes on with economy and bills, it's easy to take the payroll taxes, and it's easy just to go ahead and pay your other vendors and staff over the IRS. So if you're going through a hardship, IRS is not going to work with you unless you remain current. So if you're hearing this video and you haven't made a current deposit, make a deposit, number one. Make sure all your tax returns are filed. And even if you have to pay them $100 or $200 on the back taxes every month, start that before the IRS knocks on the door. It shows you're really trying to try to pay the debt off. You may never pay the debt off. If you're not ever going to pay the debt off, you need to call me because I have some ways out of this really at the end of the day. You're going to need to prepare to give IRS a 433B. That's an IRS financial statement, a business financial statement, and a 433A, an IRS personal financial statement. Those two forms and what you put on there and what you document will be how the IRS is going to investigate and keep you open and work with you. You must know those forms. You must know what you're doing. And if you owe a lot of debt, you really should have someone else help with this negotiation. If you don't owe a lot, you don't have a lot in the way of assets, there's not a lot IRS is going to do with you. Keep current. Do all your tax returns and be prepared. You are going to not get a knock at the door one day, and before that you may want to check if IRS has filed a federal tax lien on you. They do that. I'm always available for questions and help. If you like my YouTube videos, please let me know. You can hit a like or subscribe, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you ask. Put them in the comments section. I'm happy to give you the information I've learned over IRS. Remember, stay current at least for every week going forward. Thank you.